This film is part of the research puzzle series produced by the academic librarians at USW. Each one breaks down a different part of the research process to help you put the pieces together. If you'd like to explore more parts of the research puzzle, check out the other films in the series. And if you need any help, just get in touch. We're here to support you.
This film will show you how to search Google effectively. Internet search engines such as Google are a good way of finding real-world information, including grey literature. Google has several search operators that can help you search Google more effectively. You can search for your keywords appearing together as phrases. The word site followed by a colon will search for information within a website or website domain. The word in text followed by a colon will search for keywords in the text of a website. The word related followed by a colon lets you search for websites that are similar to a specific one. The word region followed by a colon helps you find information from or about a specific country or region. To search for specific file types, like PDFs, use file type followed by the file extension. These search operators can be used on their own or combined with others to narrow down your results even further. Let's take a closer look at how each of these search operators work. Phrase searching means putting quotation marks around keywords you want to appear together in a document. This tells Google to search for the exact phrase, not the individual words separately. For example, if you search for social media in quotation marks, Google will only show results where the words appear together as a phrase, not just pages that happen to include the word social and the word media in different places. You can use the site search operator to search within a specific website or domain. Just type site, followed by the website address, then add your keywords. For example, typing site bbc.co.uk, and then the word rugby. This will show you all pages on the BBC website that mention rugby. This is an example of a site search combined with a phrase search, type site, gov.uk, and the phrase, social policy. This will find information about social policy across all UK government websites. By combining the site operator with a phrase in quotation marks, you can narrow your results to exactly what you're looking for, from a trusted source. The in-text search operator looks for your keywords within the main text of websites. Just type in text, followed by your keyword into the Google search bar. For example, in text, Banksy, will find web pages that mention the artist Banksy in their main body text. You can also find websites similar to a specific one by using Google's related search operator. Just type related, followed by the website address into the Google search bar. For example, if you're looking for other organizations related to autism, you could type related nas.org.uk, the website of the National Autistic Society. Google will then show you a list of websites that are similar or connected to that one. The region search operator helps you find information from or about a specific country or region. Just type region, followed by the name of the country or region, then add your keywords. For example, if you want to find information about health in Wales, you would type region, Wales Health. This tells Google to focus on results related to health in that specific region. You can also search for specific file types in Google, like PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, or spreadsheets, by using the file type search operator. Just type file type, followed by the file extension, then add your keywords. For example, searching file type, PDF, annual report, will show PDF documents that contain the phrase annual report. These search operators will help you to find what you are looking for on Google more easily. Remember that Google searches across good, bad, and false information, so always evaluate the quality of the information you find carefully before using it. I hope you found this film useful. To find out more about solving the research puzzle, please watch the other films in this series, and if you need any help, get in touch with your academic librarian. Thanks for watching.